So let's start the first one, girls. Ursa and Riz in Doctor number. Then 26 and now just 89. And next is Daniela Bianchi from Russia with Love. Then 21 and now 83. Honor Blackman in Goldfinger. Then 39 and she was passed away in 2020. Claudine Auger in Thunderball, then age 19 and she was passed away 2019. Akiko Wakabayashi in You Only Live Twist, then 27 and now 85. Barbara Bushai in Casino Royale, then 23 and now 81. It's an official Bond film. Diana Rigg in On Her Majesty's Secret Service, then 31 and she was passed away in 2020. Jill St. John in Diamonds Are Forever, then 29 and now 83. Jane Seymour in Live and Let Die, then 21 and now 73. Brit England in The Man with the Golden Gun, then 31 and now 82. Barbara Batch in The Spy Who Loved Me, then 29 and now 77. Lois Chiles in Moonraker, then 32 and now 78. Carol Bouquet in For Your Eyes Only, then 23 and now 67. Maud Adams in Octopussy, then 38 and now 80. Kim Basinger in Never Say Never Again, then 29 and now just 71, and it's unofficial Bond film. Tanya Roberts in A View to a Kill, then 36 and she was passed away in 2021. Mariam Diabo in The Living Daylights, then 26 and now just 64. Carrie Lowell in Lessons to Kill, then 28 and now 64. Isabella Scorupco in Goldeneye, then 25 and now 55. Michelle Yeoh in Tomorrow Never Dies, then 34 age and now just 62 age. Denise Richards in The World Is Not Enough, then 28 age and now 54 age. Halle Berry in Die Another Day, then 35 and now just 58. Eva Green in Casino Royale, then 26 age and now just 45. Olga Kurylenko in Quantum of Solace, then 28 and now just 45 age. Berenice Marlowe in Skyfall, then 33 and now 46. Lee Sedux in Spectre, then 30 and now just 40. Ana de Armas in No Time to Die, then 33 and now just 37, and it's a last Bond, girls.